All right, so I'm here with Chris Schikevitz from Siemens, one of the divisions, the postal, I'm going to cheat, Postal, Parcel, and Airport Logistics division.
Yes.
Thanks for spending a little bit of time to tell us about your division here. For those who aren't familiar, most are going to be familiar with Siemens, obviously,
Yes.
but with your division, tell us, what do you guys really focus on?
Postal, Parcel, and Airport Logistics.
Yeah,
Naturally, we focus on the postal market. We do letter sorting machines, reading and coding, and other software for the U.S. Postal Service. On the parcel side, which is the team that's here today, we do automation equipment for parcel material handling, things like our RUBUS, automated bagging systems, telescopic unloaders, things like that. So.
Gotcha. Okay, so what's this new product? I think you're telling me you were rolling out with. What you tell me all about it.
So this year we're here showing our MHI Innovation Awards submission applicant here, and this is RUBUS. It's our remote underbelt unloader system. It is designed to unload a 53-foot trailer in about 10 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive to watch.
Conventional way of unloading. How much time typically might that take?
Conventionally, you're unloading at about 1,000 parcels per hour, and this is using a telescopic conveyor. And it takes about 4 hours, 1 to 2 people, about 4 hours to do it, where a RUBUS can do it in 10 minutes.
Okay, so a little difference there. All right,
A slight difference, yeah.
Okay, awesome. So so is this is it available? Something you guys have had out, or is it available right now?
We have. There are customers, large parcel companies that have several of these in their buildings.
Yeah.
I would say for the last 2 years it's been really productionized and ready to go. So we thought that now's a good time to bring it and introduce it to the world.
Yeah, excellent. So we're taking the cover off and exporting.
Yeah.
Awesome. So that's a significant time saving there. So I imagine you have some very happy customers.
It's really targeted for customers who loose load trailers. If you're in e-commerce and you're getting loose loaded shipping containers coming from overseas, or if you do loose load from one hub to the next, from one distribution center to the next, that's what it's really targeted for. Palletized loads are not really ideal for this situation.
Okay. Talk to me about some big wins with some of your customers. What's some of that feedback with with the solution that you've been able to roll out?
I would say that some of the bigger wins is where they build up what they call a storage trailer, and in their sortation they load on one load door. They're loading out a trailer that is filled with parcels that don't need to be sorted or sent out immediately, but they'll get to them eventually. So they load that trailer out, or over the course of the day, 15 to 20 trailers. The RUBUS really is ideal because you can turn those trailers right around, take them back to the other side of the building, and we can get them back into the network in minutes rather than hours and over multiple sorts. The other thing is the ability to offer to your customer a later pickup time. When if I have building up a trailer and I got to get it to the parcel shipping company to make sure that all of those orders that I filled for my customers are out next day, like I promised them. Yeah. Normally you would have to get there by 9 o'clock at night. Now with the RUBUS, you can offer your customer, say, hey, you know what? If it takes you till midnight, it'll be all right. Yeah, we can come and pick it up. We're going to unload that trailer in 10 minutes, and it'll be in our network and ready to go out to your customers in a matter of hours. So.
Well, that's awesome. That's a huge benefit, especially now, as all your consumers, we want in B2B. We want our stuff now.
Yes, it's gotten more where if I hit the button, I'm already wondering when's it going to be here.
Right. It's late. Right. Yeah. So okay. My last question is, people coming up at the trade show or even in the sales process, what's the number one question that you get asked all the time?
The number one question that we get asked is, really, how long does it take for us to get one of these into a building?
Okay.
And
that's a great question to ask.
Usually it's, I tell them 12 to 18 weeks. It depends where we are in the production cycle.
Okay. All right. Excellent. Well, Chris, I really appreciate the time. If anybody has any questions, like to learn more about your solutions, what's the best way of reaching you or learning more about Siemens Postal, Parcel, and Airport Logistics?
I would say the easiest way to find us is on the internet at Siemens.com.
Siemens.com. Yeah. All right. Chris, thanks so much. Appreciate it. All right.